All right, gang, we in day 3, and I'm out here in Woodbridge, Virginia now. And real quick, before we get to the destination, we're going to talk about Virginia tags, Maryland tags, and DC tags, because this driving, you know, I mean, I don't know where if you're not from the area, you probably wouldn't understand, or maybe it's similar in your area, but oh my gosh, you know, I love these Virginia people, all that, whatever, but these Virginia tags, something else. All right, y'all, pulling up at the VFW building. About to go in here, take down a TV that's mounted on the wall and then replace it with another television. So after this, we'll take that, add that to the, I'm sorry, I stopped it. We'll take that, add it to the kitty, and then we'll keep on chomping at the bits. Chomping at the bit. Yeah. We are here. Let's see. Take that down. All right, we all wrapped up. New TV's up there, and that's another 2 to the kitty. All right, and from here, I think we go to, I know I'm in Virginia all day today. Let's see if I get it right. I think we're going to Vienna. We're gonna check back in and see if I'm right. Speaking of which, I'm at the VFW, so salute all of our military personnel, family, friends, loved ones. We appreciate your service. Air Force, Marines, Navy, Army, everybody represented. So much love to you all. All right, real quick. So I was putting the old TV in the back. I came across something real cool I want to show y'all real quick. I think it's original. Oh. All right, turn. Pretty slick. And that's dated August 15th, 1945. Pretty awesome. All right, party people, we are out of here. Am I recording? Okay, yeah, it is recording. All right, so it is now 11:05 a.m. and I was right. It is Vienna. So next stop, Vienna. And, you know, we're going to get there, knock it out, see what we got. Forgot to do the check-in. So that right there, 200, add that to the kitty. But our daily goal, 325. So right now we at 225, so that's good. We only $100 down. Still got 2 or 3 more stops to go. I'm not sure, but all right, on.